Good day everyone. I want to show you something about this gear. Actually, this gear you are seeing here now, I've teared the gear down. APC CLM the gear. So this is a ZF8Hp 8-speed gear, automatic transmission. You can find this gear in BMW. You can find this gear in Range Rover. You can find this gear in Dodge and so many other new automobile vehicles. You understand? But this one is from Range Rover Vogue 2015 model. Actually, what happened to this gear is water. The oil filter cooler failed and they now pump water into the gearbox. As you can see, some of the evidence, you can see rusting here. You see the rusting here. So this is the evidence of water traced into this gear. But before the customer bought the car, he never knew that this thing happened to this car, because actually the dealer that sold the car have already changed the cooler and they drained the oil and put a fresh oil. So but the water has already soaked the fiber. That is the clutch in the gear. As you can see this clutch, it's been soaked by water. Are you seeing it? So that leads to the failure of this transmission. So this thing now, what I want to do is that I want to change the whole clutch in this gearbox. That is the fibers. It has a 5 sets of fiber. It has A clutch, B clutch, C clutch, D clutch and E clutch. So now this is the A clutch. The A clutch fiber is in the oil pump housing. A clutch is here. The gear pump is here. So this is the A clutch. Now see the B clutch. This is the B clutch here. The video clear. This is the B clutch. And see the one I bought to change it. This is a new B clutch I'm going to use to replace this one. So now which one else? So this one is the A clutch, the one I bought that I'll use to replace this one. I'll use this one to replace this A clutch. So this is B clutch, and the C clutch is here. This one. This is this. No, this is not the C clutch. This is C clutch. This one is C clutch. This one is C clutch. D clutch is inside here. This one is the one I bought that I used to replace C and D clutch. And see the old C and D clutch is inside this drum. C and D clutch is here. And here is the E clutch. This is the E clutch. And come and see the E clutch inside the gearbox housing. See the old E clutch. I'm going to remove this one and replace it. Actually, I did not bring out this drum out. I did not bring this big drum out because I don't want to damage the seal, the oil seal under the gearbox, at the back of the gearbox. So that is why I did not remove this drum. So I want to couple all of them right inside here without removing the drum. So this transmission system has a, let me give you a little clue about this transmission system. It has a four planetary gear sets, that is P1, P2, P3 and P4. You understand me? So this is it has a P1. This is the P1 here. P1 planetary gear set, and P2 is here. This one is P1 and P2 is here. You understand? And see the P3, and the P4 is right inside the casing. P4 is here. You can see the planetary gear set inside here. That is P4. So these four planetary gear sets is what is actually selecting the whole gear from gear 1 to gear 8 speed automatic transmission. So let me start coupling this gear. So I'm going to use this casing You understand? So I've installed the G clutch inside. And this one is C clutch. So C clutch has entered. Now I'm going to put this key. This key has to go in there. This is a ring gear for P3. This is a ring gear for P3. Now enter. And you now put the key. It's holding it. Now put the key. So this thing, I'm going to combine the two materials. I don't want to use this planetary gear set. I don't want to use this one. I want to use the one from the old gear. You understand me? Because I don't like these dents here. See these dents here? I don't like it. So I'm going to use this one. This one looks more neat. I'm going to remove this one from the casing. I'm going to install this. See this one? I'm going to fix it in there. So see the bearing? The bearing is running here. So I fixed it. So now, yes. Let me just confirm the bearing inside there. So the bearing is there. Okay, I'll remove this now.
What's up?
So now, and this planetary gear set, I'm going to go on. Oh yeah, baby.
What's up?
All these. So now, I'm going to change this drum. Look at the clock here. So you know this drum, if you want to remove the key, there is a special tool for removing the key. If you don't have the tool, you have to be very, very careful. Otherwise, you will cause this type of damage. Look at it. You see this damage? So, for my own, look at the one I removed from the car. I'm being so careful about it, so I did not crack the drum. So I have to remove this one and this. I'm going to change this drum. I'm not going to use this. I'm not going to use this because of this damage here. So I'm going to use this. So this one is more neat. I try to be very careful removing that key so that I won't damage it. Yes, but it doesn't mean it's good. It's part of the deal. You need to clean it very well so that okay. It's okay. So this place is gonna sit right inside there. So now, you see, this one has entered. I'm going to put the key. Here's the key. So look at the position of the key. Just to place it on this lock. This lock there. Good. Make sure the key goes right and right inside. So now, after this now I have to put this sun gear for the B2 clutch to now enter. This bear is going to switch in. See there? This one's a big one.
This penalty already goes along. Okay.
I'll teach you that way. So now, this one has entered now. But before I continue with this, I want to mount this drum right inside here. So I will change this fiber. Further. Which goes out about system now. You have to be. You see this planetary gear in here. If you are rotating it now, this sun gear here can be rotating so that it will fit into the planetary gear set in there. That's too nice now. Can you view of one? Go back to more. As long as it will be.
But now,
This is
after you know.
So you see, when you are turning it now, the sun gear will be rotating. So this station, check it. This one will be drum. This one, I think. And you have to put this ring gear.
It's a more special address somewhere here.
No special. This sun gear can key into this planetary gear, and this bearing will sit on that bearing, just like this. So now put this planetary gear.
My good God.
Oh. Planetary gear inside, and this one will now key into the P4 sun. Now go in there. See there? That's inside. So, you see this sun gear? Double end sun gear. It has a deep end here. You see that deep end here, and it has a shallow end here. So this deep end goes in like this, just like that. Play with it. Good. Let's enter. So now we're going to put. This is a P1. P1 planetary gear set. Goes in like this.
Let's go there.
I'm going to check it out. Okay. Everything.
Engine. There.
Let's go there.
Như giờ anh kiến được quá.
Nhưng mà kính được quá. Kính được là đi cho.
Kembali kita.
This is P1 ring gear for P1. So this thing goes, this ring gear goes to this planetary gear set in there, and this place sits on this bearing. You have to go. So the last one is the damper. So as it is now, we are done with this one. Now have to go to the air clutch, which is located at the pump housing. So this is the air clutch.
Wait. Yes.
Oh. So this is air clutch. I'm gonna change this fiber too. There we go. So this is a clutch drum. Here is a clutch drum. And this one here is the B clutch drum. You understand? That is this one, the B clutch drum. This one is the side. So this one is the A clutch drum. So here is the A clutch we're going to use.
But this one will remove is off. This one don't chop.
Just because of the water. You can get some fiber that is still okay here, but
Not to read the right one.
so you first of all put the damper. The damper goes in first. Then you put
Spacer.
the clutch plate. Let me use this one. I prefer this one because of the key. This one and this one are the same. I prefer this type of key. I want to use this one. So there we go. So now we're going to fix this into this. So this sun gear will now go into the gear in there. You have to put this one out. Look at it. Just like that. That's your camera. Good. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Come this way. You see the flushing. Everything has gone inside properly. So the next thing is to put the
What of this key?
oil pump bolt. This one is seal.
This wire, let me go.
Yeah. I think this is a total of 15 bolts. Okay. One. Two. Three. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8.
Sorry.
9. 10. 11. 12. Okay, 13. Total of 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14.
It's like when kids simple.
Okay. The first one.
And then, yeah.
This one. So it's total of 14 bolts that is holding this body valve. The valve coil. This one is the output speed sensor. 14 bolts and output speed sensor.
Then 3 bolts.
So you see this one? This one is the connector. we apply ATF on the seals. So you face it, you see this slot goes in there. See the locking pin. The locking pin here. You have to lock the connector. So it's locked now. So this one is how you come. Goes in like this.
No boot and attach with it.
No. Oh, there's some of the boots are there. So I have to find 2 boots here. This one is here.
Tinubu akwadotego.
Tinubu.
A na-ekwu okwu ịtụ nga ga-atụ na nga ama ndị mma. Enweta ndị ihe osise, ndị na-ebu drọgụ, ndị na-eme ịta n'ihu.
Nyawa bụkwana gị.
Ọ dịkwa egwu. Ka ndị ihe ndị mmadụ.
Ọ na-ekwu ele.
Na Peter Bakpọrọ ya personally. Gwe ya shia na ọ makwana ihe ọ ga-eme ya ga-eme ya. Ha ga-ebu na ya nwa agbara ya. Ụfọdụ ụbọchị a ji ekpọta bise kerafa katapera na mgbe ọ bụrụ obodo. Ezi nke ahụ ya na-abụ